Last week, I had this stupid idea to create these LED pillars, which was way more work than I anticipated, to shoot a fan-made Tesla commercial. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna shoot everything on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and that sits inside the brand new ZHIYUN SMOOTH-5. Big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. So without further ado, let's get rolling. That's the upside of shooting a Tesla. You don't need crew, not even a driver. Now, shooting with the ZHIYUN SMOOTH-5 has been a real pleasure so far. Not only it is a super powerful gimbal, I mean, you can insert any smartphone in this thing and it will keep it stabilized, but also it comes with a ton of features, and I'm talking about professional features here. Now, of course, it comes with all the basic functionality that you would expect from a gimbal, such as different modes that you can shoot in, as well as a joystick control to control the gimbal, but it doesn't stop right there. It connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone, and here starts the real magic, guys. You have a start-stop button, nothing that fancy, but now it comes, guys. You have this control wheel here on the side, which allows you to not only zoom with your smartphone, but also focus, and that I find a super valuable feature, because focusing and zooming is still one of those things on your smartphone that feels very clumsy. Well, here you get a very smooth control wheel to do that. This is a professional feature, unlocking so much more with your smartphone. ZHIYUN also has their own app to shoot with, which unlocks most of the functionalities. You also get things like tracking, which allows you to select certain object in your scene, and the gimbal will automatically follow that object. So that's the software side of things, guys. Tons of features, but also on the hardware side, we have things like this LED light right here. Now, I'm not going to use that because it is casting light from straight behind the camera, which makes things pretty flat, and we have these LED panels around us, so I'm just going to detach that for now. So as you can see, guys, the SMOOTH-5 is an incredible gimbal, unlocking so much professional features. So if you take smartphone filmmaking serious, this is the gimbal to get. Oh yeah, and on a side note, Filmic Pro is currently working on supporting this gimbal as well. So that means that you can enjoy all of these beautiful buttons here around the gimbal also in their app, and I'm really looking forward to that. For more information, definitely make sure to click the first link in the description down below, or just scroll a little bit further in the description to see where you can buy the ZHIYUN SMOOTH-5. So what I did was connect each pillar to a different channel of our DMX, and a DMX is basically a network to control lights, but also to create scenes and sequences. You can kind of see it as animating lights. And so I wanted to try and create a few sequences that were in sync with my music. So yeah, I had to look for a song first. I modified it a bit and looked for parts on which I could add an interesting light sequence. I would then think of the shot that I wanted to take and ask Janik to play back these sequences as I would film the Tesla. And then it was just a matter of syncing the lights of these shots to the markers that I had in Premiere Pro, which gave the following results. Enjoy.
Initializing. System ready. Initializing sequence 69 for 20. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to check out the video on my left to see how Jordy made a Harley Davidson commercial. It's really cool. Thank you, ZHIYUN, for the support, and as always, stay creative.
Oh, get me out of here!